Hello everyone, I'm Chanpreet and I'm a MSc Mathematics from University of Lucknow. I'm having 16 years of teaching experience and today I'm here to discuss some mental ability questions. So let's start. So here comes the first question. So here's a question that is very important for Olympiad preparation and the question is based on percentage. So as you can see, let me take my pen first. So as you can see, the question says the number of seats for admission is increased by 10% every year. So there is an increment of 10% of seats every year. If the number of seats in 2013 was 400, what is the number of seats in 2015? Right. So let us go with the concept of percentage first. So let us assume something as X. Okay, I'm going to tell you the short trick. So if some number is X and I need to increase this number by 10%. So what I need to add? I need to add 10% of X. 10% means if I'm going to solve it, then this is like this. Or you can say 1.1x. So if there is an increase of 10%, the number becomes 1.1. Similarly, if there is an increase of 20%, the number is going to become 1.2x. So I'm going to use this concept here. There is no need to solve the complete question, right? So there is an increase of 10%. Initially, seats were 400 in 2013. So 10% increase, it means it is going to be 400 times 1.1 in 2014, but they are asking about 2015. So this is the number of seats in 2014, right? Now, again, there is an increase of 10%. It means I need to multiply it by 1.1 again. So this product is going to be my answer. So let us multiply this. If you need to simplify, you can say it like this. So this is 11 times 11, 121 into 4, that is 484. So 484 will be your answer here, right? I hope this is helpful for you. So 484 is the correct answer in this case. So let us move to the next question very quickly. So again, the question is of mensuration, geometry, area related question is there, but application of percentage is again there. So you can see the length of rectangle is increased by 60%. If there is some rectangle, okay, there is a rectangle. You can see now this is a rectangle. So this is the length and this is the breadth. If length is increased by 60%, by what percent would be the width? The breadth must be decreased to maintain the same area. Area will remain the same. We all know the formula of area, that is L into B. Area is length into breadth. If there is a rectangle, what I need to do, I just need to multiply length and breadth to find the area. So let us assume that length is 1 unit, breadth is 1 unit. So area is going to be 1 unit square, right? Okay, so now come to the same concept again, that length is increased by 60%. If there is an increase of 60%, the thing is going to be 1.6. So what you can say, the length is going to become 1.6. Now what about breadth? What about breadth? That area will remain same. So what is the value of this question mark? This is going to be 1 divided by 1.6, right? Okay, so let us simplify. So it is going to be 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means, let me erase this from here. So 5 by 8 means what? 5 by 8, the breadth becomes 5 by 8. So what is the decrease? If breadth was 1, now it becomes 5 by 8. So decrease is, there is a decrease of 3 by 8. So they are asking about how much it is going to decrease. So it decreased by 3 by 8. And if you want to convert it into percentage, just multiply it by 100. So 3 by 8 into 100, that is going to be 37.5%. So 37.5% is going to be your answer. So I hope this is helpful for you. So let us take one more question. So 37.5% was the correct answer. Now again, let us move to the question related to fractions, right? So Shreya had 480 kg of rice. Okay. She poured 3/8 of it into a rice container. Okay. So what is the remaining? What is the remaining? One way is just find the 3/8 of 480 and subtract that value from 480. So what I'm going to take, I'm just going to take the quantity of rice as X. Okay. So what is it? 3/8. She poured 3/8. Okay. So what is the remaining? Remaining is 5/8. Okay. Don't take it as X. Just take it as 1. Okay. So remaining quantity is 5/8. We will use this 480. We will use this 480. Okay. So remaining is 5/8, but she used 3/5 of remaining. So 3/5 of remaining. Okay. So this will be my answer. So 3/5 of remaining is this, but she distribute remaining quantity. This is the remaining quantity equivalent to 6 bags. So how much rice was there in each bag? We need to find rice quantity in one bag. So what I need to do, just divide it by 6. Okay. So now just try to find the calculation thing. Now, so 8 times 6 is 48. So this is going to be 10, 5 on 5. So 3 times 10 is going to be 30 kg is my answer. So I hope this is helpful for you. One more question I want to discuss that is related to counting figures. I have one trick for counting figures. So let us see, there is a question. These kind of questions are there in a Olympiad paper. So this is a triangle. What you need to find, you just need to find the number of triangles. So in this kind of questions, there is a complex figure and we just need to count each and every small figure, that is triangle here. So I have one trick. If the triangles are formed on one vertex, so I have one trick, just check the base. In this question, we have 2 base. So just give numbering to the bases. So on first base, we have 1, 2, 3. By chance on second base, we have also again 1, 2, 3. So what I need to do, I just need to add this. I just need to add this. So this is 6. By chance, this is 6 again. So my complete answer will be 6 plus 6. So 12 is the correct answer in this case. Right? Okay. So now see, one more question. Like if there is only one vertex and we have like this. So 4 sections are there. If there are 4 sections, you just need to count the total number of triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What you need to do, just add them. So total 10 triangles are there. So I hope this is helpful for all of you. Thank you so much. Let me